Greetings students. I'm here to guide you through filling out the OMR sheet for the board examination. You will be getting about 15 minutes to fill in this first sheet, so this has to be done carefully. Please carry your admit card and your school ID card without fail. It has to be filled in with a blue ball pen. Kindly do not use pencil or gel pen. Please keep your admit card ready. When you're filling this, because most of the details you will find on your admit card itself. Suppose you are going for the French exam. You have to fill their French and the subject code 018. Codes are already given in the admit card. Now you have to write day and date of the exam. Suppose I am going on Saturday, so I'm going to write their Saturday, and the date of the examination, you are going to write the 22nd of February 2025. Medium of answering is French. For other subjects, if you are from an English medium school, obviously it's going to be English. Everybody gets a set number and a code number right. So there will be a particular code given there, so something like this, like 20/C. This will be written on the top corner of the question paper. So till you get the question paper, you will not be able to get this code right, so it's important that you wait for your question paper, and then only you will be able to write this and then the set. Number 1, 2, 3, etc. These circles have to be darkened, so if I am having set 3, I'm going to darken this portion. If I'm having set 1, I'll darken this set 2, and so on, and be very slow in this, because you know there is no provision for using whitener here. So don't be in hurry to finish all this, just fill it very carefully. Put the set number there, and you are also going to write this code here once you get the question paper. Number of supplementary answer books you will write at the end of the exam. After that, the person with benchmark disabilities, so if you are having any form of disability, you will write here yes. Otherwise you will write here no. Kindly cross-check with Invigilator before you fill this option. Now comes the candidate's name in capital letters. So whatever is your name you will fill here now. When you fill in the name, please remember that one alphabet should be on one column, and if you have, let's say your name is Archana Elizabeth Sebastian. So I'm going to write here a, don't leave any space, A, R, C, H, etc. Each letter has to be exactly in one box. There should be a separation here between Archana and Elizabeth and Sebastian. Now you have to darken the full circle. It should not be partially filled, it should not be light, because the machine will not be able to read it properly. I'm going to fill like this, so please remember not to exceed the box, so the last name I won't be able to write completely. Then your roll number, so you're going to write roll number as per your admit card. So 28104568. Then color the appropriate circle here. It should be completely circled. And then subject code, whatever is the subject code, please write down that OK, so subject code 018 and center number that will be on your admit card. Please fill whatever is given in your admit card. So you will fill in that right. Then here we have subject again, whatever it is you will fill in that, French, maths or English or science, whatever is there, and school number as per admit card. School number is given in your admit card, please fill in the school number here, and also the center number. All these details please fill from the admit card. Then you have roll number in words. So what we are going to do is filled there, so already that word crore is there. So it is, let's say 2 crore 81 lakhs 4568. Then write your father's name, or your guardian's name as given in the admit card, and you will sign. Here it's very important that your signatures should match with the signature that is there on the admit card, and please maintain the same signature throughout. You will not change your signature, because this is also one way of verifying whether you are the actual candidate. Please go in school uniform. It's very important that you carry your admit card, your school ID card and a transparent pouch with permitted items daily. If there is any problem, please do ask the invigilator, and try to fill this without error, because no cutting, crossing or whitener is allowed, so I hope this is clear. There are some important changes this year. Every page of the answer sheet has a QR code. There is a margin on the left side for question numbers, and on the right side another margin for all rough works. After completing the rough work, students should cross it out to indicate that it is not part of the final answer. Do not detach graph paper from the booklet. During the social science exam, carefully detach the map from the question paper and securely attach it to the answer booklet on the page corresponding to the relevant question number. Ensure that the map is placed in a horizontal position, as keeping it vertically may lead to tampering, which could result in a loss of marks. Thank you and all the best for your board exams. Thank you.